Hey there, welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. I'm your host, Ray O'Brien, one lucky Irish guy. In this video, we're going to make Irish coffee. Drink's been around for a long time. It was invented in 1948, but I'll tell you all about that at the end. I'll tell you what little special things I do to make it my own. So stick around till the end. Okay, let's begin. This drink uses Irish whiskey, coffee, and a little bit of cream for the topping. Now, Irish whiskey, I think is a nicer, cleaner flavor because it's more filtered, triple distilled. So I mean, you can use your Hellcat Maggie, you can use your Jameson, but in this video, I'm going to use Tullamore D.E.W. Okay. So this is 1.5 ounces of Tullamore D.E.W. Now, first thing you do is have hot water in your glass that keeps everything warm. Have hot water in there, keep everything warm and steaming. Okay. Put your whiskey in. 4 ounces of hot coffee. Okay. And then what I did is I whipped up a little whipping cream, but I made it special because I put a little Cream de Menthe in there. Makes it minty, makes it green. That's the way I like it. Kind of layer that on top there. And what I'm going to do also is I like a little Ghirardelli chocolate on top. That's the way I like it. So I'm going to take a microplane, take a bit of chocolate, and I'll put that right on top there. Oh yeah, looking good. That looks good, man. So the thing is, you want to kind of drink it through the foam. You don't want to stir this up. So anyways, people thought this drink was invented at the Buena Vista in San Francisco. I've had many people tell me, oh, you know where that is invented? In Buena Vista. Actually, it was brought to the Buena Vista by Joe Sheridan. Joe Sheridan in 1948 was at the Foynes Flying Airboat Base in County Limerick, Ireland. There was a flight that came over from New York, and the people were cold, they were delayed, and he wanted something to warm them up, so he gave him some hot coffee, and he put a little Irish whiskey in there. And they drank it and said, wow, is this Brazilian coffee? He said, no, this is Irish coffee. And then in 1952, Stanton Delaplane from the San Francisco Chronicle made this famous. He brought this to the Buena Vista and made it famous. The Buena Vista today makes 2,000 Irish coffees a day. They've even been said to, when the Super Bowl was in town, they made like 6,000 Irish coffees. That's a lot of Irish coffees. Now, some people like to put a little brown sugar in theirs. And the Buena Vista actually likes to throw a sugar cube in theirs. The guy makes like a whole row of them. He throws sugar cubes in them, pours hot coffee in, makes like a ton of them. Now, I don't like to put any sugar in there because I already put Cream de Menthe in there, which is sweet, and I've got whipping cream is sweet too, so I don't think it needs a thing. This is great. So do me a favor, shoot me a comment. Let me know if you like Irish coffee. Let me know if you've been in the Buena Vista. Let me know what you want to see. Because remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. Again, you know, I really do appreciate all the support that I've gotten from this channel. And other people have asked me, so how can I support your channel? What can I do? Well, there's a variety of things you can do. You can subscribe. You can like the channel. Share it with a friend. Share it with your husband, wife, whatever. The more you share it, the better it is. Also, another great way you can help me out is I'm going to have links for all the borrower that I'm using. If there's any borrower that you might need, please order from my Amazon site. And also, while you're in there, or even if you don't need any barware, please go below, go to where it says show more, then scroll down, click on the blue button where it says Amazon site, and it takes you right to Amazon. You can order just like your normal order from Amazon. Order anything you might need, and I will get credit for it. And I thank you in advance. So another way is also shoot me a comment. Tell me how you like the drink that I made. Tell me what you think I can improve upon. And please tell me what kind of drinks you like. Tell me what kind of drinks you like and give me some ideas of maybe what I should do. So, I really appreciate all the help. Like I said, I can only get better at this through you. And I will see you for the next round.